This is Katie's dog, Bruce.
Hey, you.
Well, we didn't catch him being all goofy and being all, like, silly.
He probably still will be. He's just, like, now fighting me.
You are so crazy. Yes. You are so crazy.
Oh my god, he is crazy.
Yes.
That is Katie, by the way, who's playing with the doggy.
And Bridget Amato playing with the dog.
Yes, and Bridget.
Bruce!
No.
Oh, getting all covered in leaves.
Silly pup!
There goes the branch! There he goes!
He's not a stupid dog. He knows. Look how cute he is! Don't get near me. Anything I love dies.
And there's Steve again. There's Bruce! And that concludes our video.
Getting commentary on stuff we already know.
And that, by the way,